This is DDR1 laptop DIMM slot. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 39, 40, 39, 40, 41, 42, 41, 42. Last 200 pins, 199, 200. VDD SPD pin number 197. See here CKE 0 and CKE 1. CKE 0 96, CKE 1 95. You should check here 1.1 volt, 1.2 volts or 1.5 volts is there or not. The no voltage at this point. You should check memory controller in GMCH. That means GMCH fault. You should check pin number 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 21 and 22 and 33 and 34. 2.5 volts is there or not. No voltage at this point. You should check memory regulator. This is memory regulator. This is memory supply 2.5 volts. This is memory termination supply 1.25 volts. Every regulator have one oscillator IC, two output transistors and one coil. This is oscillator IC, this is outputs, this is coil. You should check here first oscillator IC, pin number supply pin number, this is 5 volt supply pin number 3. You should check at pin number supply pin number 1, pin number 3, 5 volts is there or not. Next you should check enable pin, or you should check VCCA1. This is VCCA1, VCC pin number 22 and VCCA2, VCS2 pin number 11. When you give voltage to pin number 22, this output will come out from pin number 6 to upper FET gate. This is 2 in 1. See here PQ25B, PQ25A. That means 2 in 1. This one 2 in 1. When you give voltage, this pin number 6, this IC is okay. When this IC is okay, 2 volts will present at this pin number 6. 2 volts will present here. This IC is okay. You should check this output. This is output FETs. And when you give voltage pin number 4, this gate, this voltage comes from, this is 18 volts. This voltage comes to drain to source pin number 3. This voltage you should check at PL5. This voltage, this is oscillator, this is outputs, this is coil, this is oscillator IC PU5 number SC1486, SC1486. This is oscillator IC. You should check here pin number 6, pin number 1. This is dot pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should check here 2 volts is there or not. When 2 volts is present, this IC is okay. No voltage at this point. You should check input pins and change this IC. This is output FETs PQ25B, PQ25A. So this is 2 in 1. PQ25. See here PQ25. This is PQ25. This is output PL5. See here PL5. This is PL5 coil. You should check here 2.5 volts is there or not. This is memory supply coil. So every regulator have oscillator IC and output FETs and coil. See here also two FETs PQ26 and PQ26A and 26B. So this is also 2 in 1.